Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First off, I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed, who has liked my videos, who watches my videos. It is really appreciated. I thank you very much. Today I am actually talking about new bags that I have in my collection. Now, when I say new, these are bags that I actually purchased last year and just never got around to doing a video on them, so I am doing a video on them now. They are both Coach bags. This one, which I think I showed in the last video, the OOTD video, this is the bag that I'm carrying now. It is the, let's see, it is the Coach City Tote Signature Canvas with Varsity Motif. I think Motif. And like I said, this is the bag that I'm carrying now. Picked it up from the Coach outlet. I believe I paid $120 for this, and that's with tax. I think it was like, I want to say it was very close to 100 or just under 100. But this is a great bag. I've been carrying this, I'd say, for the last, what is this, July, last day in July. I've been carrying this at least for the past 3 months. Only because, like I said, I live in New Jersey. We have to have our own shopping bags, and this fits at least 2 large size shopping bags along with everything else that I carry. So that is the reason I am carrying this bag. And you know, you don't have to worry about this in the weather. It has the darker print, Coach CC print, no feet. Of course, the straps are leather, and I believe the interior is leather. It has a snap closure. And if I didn't have these bags in here, it would find its way shut. Let me show you the interior. I have an organizer in here. There's so much stuff in here. So it's just a open tote, extremely light. It has one large zipper pocket. Is it already? Yeah, it's already open. And it is pretty deep, holds a lot. And that is about it as far as organization, which is why I have a organizer in the bag, so that things aren't just, you know, just moving all around in the bag, which I hate. And see, it just automatically finds its way shut. So, really nice bag. Really nice bag. Now the size of this bag is 13 inches long, 11.5 inches high, 6 1/4 deep, and the handle drop is 10 inches. It's called the Black Antique Nickel, Brown, and Buttercup, or the description is Black Antique Nickel, Brown, Buttercup. Now, I also have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the MM size, Damier Azur. Now, this is pre-loved. I picked this up from eBay. And I just wanted to compare the two. Now, the measurements for the Louis Vuitton, I thought I wrote it down. Yeah, I did. The Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. It is 12.6 inches long, 11.6 inches high, 11.4 inches high, and then 6.7 inches deep. So it has more capacity, or it's deeper than the Coach bag. And I would say it's about the same height, and it's a little bit shorter than the Coach Tote. I'm just showing them side by side. But basically, I think the strap drop is a little bit longer on the Coach bag also. And then neither one of them have feet or any outside pockets. But this, I don't have to worry about it in the weather. You know, this one has the vachetta leather. So of course, you know, in the rain, if it gets wet, you're gonna get spots on it. Whereas this, I don't have to worry about that. I don't have to worry about anything with this bag. You know, so that's why I've been carrying it just about all spring and all summer long, because I just don't have to worry about this bag, and I get the same capacity. You know, and I actually gain leather. I believe this is a leather interior, so I actually gain, or more is offered on the Coach bag than on the Louis Vuitton bag. Of course, you do have leather on this bag, but it's just the trim and these straps. But that's it as far as the leather. Of course, we all know the interior is like a cotton lining. So, but I just wanted to give a comparison with that bag. And then let me show you, now this is my organizer. It just easily slips in. This is what I have. It is a mess. I have my battery pack, lotion. I have my pouches, brush, eyeglass case, and my mints and things like that. You know, things that I normally carry every day, and it just fits easily into the bag. It just fits easily in there. And then that way everything is organized, nothing is moving around, nothing is loose. Love it. Love it. So the other bag that I have to show is the Coach Pillow Madison bag. Again, let's see, do I have a receipt? I think this is the box. Let's hope this is the box. I believe this is the box. Yeah. I don't know if I have the receipt in here to show the date that I purchased it. Probably not. Now this is a nice size bag. I saw it, I wanted it in the black. This is as close as I am going to get to a Chanel bag. It is all leather. It's an absolutely beautiful bag. Let me show you. This is the bag. So this is the front. This is the side. You have the little, I forget what they call these. And then you have the other side, the back, and you have a pocket on the back. It does have a magnetic closure. The chain, which is nice, has leather intertwined with the chain. It goes to a crossbody strap or short shoulder. And you know me, I love shoulder bags and I love crossbody bags. And to have a bag that does both is absolutely fabulous. And then as far as, and I haven't carried this yet, and then as far as the interior, now I did say all leather. It is not. The back panel, let's see, can I show this? Let's see. The back panel is leather. There is a zipper pocket It's a nice size pocket too. Nice size zipper pocket. There we go. Hopefully it's not too dark. And then the other side of the area is like a microfiber. I don't think this is suede. It doesn't feel like suede. Could be wrong. And then the back panel of the flap is leather. Then you also have another area which is covered. It's almost like a double flap. So you have that. Take this out. And that is all covered. I believe this is microfiber. But absolutely beautiful. The hardware is pewter. And of course the color of the bag is black. So let me give you measurements. It is 9.5 inches long, 7 inches high, 2 3/4 deep, and the strap drop is 21.5 inches long. So let me show you what fits. So here's a case for my phone. I have an iPhone 11. So either I can put this in the back, which is what I would probably do. Again, more stuffing. And that easily fits in the back of the bag. And the items that I am carrying are my Dooney & Bourke small leather good. This is they call it the medium wristlet. It's a small, about 4x6. And honestly, I think I will put this up here. I would put this in the front. And then the other one is what they call the medium wristlet by Dooney & Bourke. I believe it's 7.5 by 5 inches. And I would put this in the main compartment. Now, again, it's still it's a nice size bag, but it's still a smaller bag. So if I were to carry this, I would probably go for the mini pochette instead of the Dooney & Bourke. My mini pochette instead of the Dooney & Bourke wristlet, and then just use a card case because it is a smaller bag. But right now I have my phone in there, or the case for my phone, both my pouches, and that's what I normally carry. Now, of course, I would carry some other things like my mints, maybe lip gloss, maybe a comb or a brush, but other than that, as long as I can get those 3 pieces in there, I'm fine. I am fine. So this is what it looks like with everything in. No distortions. And the leather is so soft. And of course it's the puffy design, so it is super soft. Still hasn't come to me what you call this. It'll come to me. But this is how it looks on the shoulder, and you got plenty, or I have plenty of clearance carrying it as a shoulder bag, which I absolutely love. The chain stays on my shoulder. It's not slipping off. Super light. Even though you have all this leather, it is not a heavy bag at all. And then if I Of course my earring came out. Then if I carry it as a crossbody, this is how it looks on me. Now this right here, it's a little bit higher than I would like, but again, I'm tall, about 5'9". But this is fine, this is fine. And this is how it looks as a crossbody. This beautiful bag. I just wanted a nice leather black bag that if I had a special event or some type of evening out and I was dressed up, that I would have something that I could use, not necessarily as a crossbody, but as a shoulder bag. And that was the reason for this purchase. But absolutely beautiful. Okay, I think I covered everything. If you have any questions regarding the bag and what fits in the bag, just let me know. I will definitely respond. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.